So a lot of people have asked me to do a tutorial on how I make my art look really soft. So I'm gonna be giving you a rundown on that real quick. So once you're done with your drawing, what you want to do is you want to merge all of the layers into one layer, and then you want to copy that layer and paste it twice. And then for those two layers, you want to lower the opacity to be about 20 to 25 on each of them. Then for the first layer, what you want to do is hold Control and press the left arrow key twice, switch to the other layer and press the right arrow key twice. And so this will move the layers over a little bit and give it this kind of soft effect. So just push them in the opposite directions, about 2 pixels, and then it will make your lines look kind of fuzzy and soft. So yeah, that's basically what I do. I also like to do the same thing on 2 layers underneath the main artwork. I just kind of skew them a bit more. It just kind of gives it this weird effect that I like, so you can do that too if you want to. I'm going to be putting the finishing effects on this drawing now, so you can just skip to this timestamp if you want to see me do the same thing, but to the background, because I do it to the background of my drawings as well usually. So if you need to see it again or have it explained a different way, it'll be there too, so just skip ahead if you want. Okay, so again, you want to merge all of the layers that you want to be fuzzy onto one layer, and then copy that layer and paste it twice, and then lower the opacity to be about 20 to 25 on both of them, and then you want to hold Control and tap one of the horizontal arrow keys twice, and then go to the other layer and do the same thing to the other horizontal arrow key. This will give it a soft fuzzy effect, and that's basically how I do it. So yeah, I hope this is helpful. I'll probably also write out instructions in the description. So yeah, I'm Pobbies, and let me know if this helped and what other tutorials you want me to do.